Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to see who sent you NGL messages for free. Now there are actually two ways to know that you've received message. One is by getting a pop-up notification to your device, and the other one is by seeing a red dot beside the word inbox. Now that is an indication that you have unreplied message. So once you click on that, you'd be able to see all your messages, and the gray messages with a green tick is an indication that you've replied to the message. So I have one unread message, and in order to find out who sent that message, I'd simply need to launch Instagram and go to my story. So once I'm on my Instagram story, I could actually see the activity of that story. So I simply need to tap on activity, and I'll be able to see all the persons who sent that message. So seeing that that is a recent message, the person who sent that message would have to be at the upper part of the activity. Now that is one way you could go about seeing who sent you a message, or having the idea of who sent you a message in NGL. So that's pretty much the end of the video. If you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.